Let me just say that I hope there are no professional hair people watching me right now because I am so sorry. So I am attempting to dye my hair for the first time at home because I'm bored. I feel like doing something with my hair. I might cut it too, but I'm not sure yet. So I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. My hair is such a mess right now. I like tried to do some stupid curl today. Didn't work out, so like this is what I'm looking like right now. I think I should cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it. I don't know, just come along with me, guys. I went to Sally's and I picked up 2 packets of this bleach. Hopefully that is enough. And I picked out this sexy ass color right here from Arctic Fox. It's kind of like a mint kind of green. I had my hair like mint green a long time ago and I was obsessed with it, so hopefully I can like bring this look back, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like super over this brown. I think it's time to get rid of it. Okay, I have my hair in a ponytail and I'm gonna cut this off. This little tail that I have here, it is gonna snip off. I'm so scared right now. Girl, that shit is so uneven. Whatevs. Oh my god. Totally not that straight, but it's totally not that bad. So I'm just gonna proceed with the program. I came up with this concoction with mixing the bleach with the developer and this herbal essence conditioner just so it's not harsh on this hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna like probably fast forward you through this process because I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll see. We'll see. Now is like the scariest part of ever because I've never done this before and I don't know what to do, but I'm just gonna do it. So how scary can it be, you know? Works out, it's dangerous because my hair is gonna be so damaged because I'm gonna be doing all types of colors, girl. But it's not gonna come out perfect. I know it's not because I'm not that lucky. I forgot I was filming, sorry. Who in the world has time for this, girl? Okay guys, so I finally finished. I have everything where I want it to be. I'm gonna keep this on for maybe, maybe until 10:30, 10:45. Let's see how I'm feeling. Let's just hope for the best, you guys. I'm hoping for the best, so pray for me. Thank you very much. There's literally bleach all over my shoulders. Like, this is the messiest thing ever, but whatever. I'm so down. I will check in with you guys after I rinse my hair out. Hey guys, check in. This is what my hair is looking like. It's more brown than it was. Obviously, there's like a little ombre effect going on. I will be back in the morning. That's what I'm going to be doing. Alright guys, here we are, day 2. This is what my hair ended up looking like after that first bleach. I'm going to go ahead and bleach it some more, but this time I'm going to start from the front and then go down to the bottom because I feel like this hair back here is so much blonder than this hair up here. I don't think it's going bad, but I don't think it's going good either. I went to buy these at Ulta, these little cute clips, and like I was looking at the clips for like 15 minutes and literally the Ulta like girl worker was like in the same aisle like watching me if I was gonna jack these. Like, bitch. I'm telling you guys, I always have a problem when I go into an Ulta. Like, girls are so mean and it's like so gross because you work in a place of beauty. Let me put my gloves on before I fucking mess up my hands. I'm really excited about this, guys. I feel like it's gonna come out really good. I might need to go get another bleach packet though, but we'll see about that after this. Okay guys, so right now I'm just like combing it through and like double layering it with bleach so I'm not missing anything. So I'm just gonna take you through that because I already did this side. It hurts so bad. I'm just gonna comb it. This stuff burns my eyes so bad. I'm just gonna put some extra because I have extra bleach, so I'm gonna put it on this side. How I have extra bleach, I have no idea, but just want to make sure everything is very, very saturated and coated. Okay, I'm pretty coated. This is a look, low-key. So I'm just gonna let this, what time is it? Okay, perfect. It's like 1:03 right now, so I'm gonna wait probably until 1:30, 1:45, and then I'm gonna see how my hair is looking, how it's cooking. Hopefully I don't have to go get another bleach packet, but I don't mind. But hopefully I don't, you know, just because I don't want to go there. Let's see how this turns out. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Hopefully we can just like finally dive into the colors. So alrighty guys, I rinsed my hair out and this is what it's looking like. It's looking really fucking yellow and coppery and like gross. So I'm gonna go and pick up, I'm gonna probably go and pick up either one more bleach pack or two. I'm not sure yet, but I just wanted to check in and make sure you guys knew how my hair was looking at this moment. Let's see what I look like when we meet next. Okay guys, I just came back and I bought two of these packs just in case, because I don't know what it's gonna look like after this. I literally do not know. So if I need another one, I bought another one. Yeah, I also bought some food, so I'm gonna eat real quick and then I'm gonna continue this process. BRB. Phase 3 now. We are gonna do this again because we are too golden right now. This is too golden for me, so. We are day 3 of the bleaching and this is the 4th bleach that I've done and this is the last bleach that I'm gonna do. So we are gonna finally get to the color now. This is from the Arctic Fox brand. It's the Neverland color and it's so cute and green and minty. It smells so good. I actually did some of the back yesterday, but I was like too tired and over it to continue, so I am just gonna start anew today and I'm gonna start with the top and then go to the bottom. It looks delicious. I don't know what's going on, but I will update you guys in a bit. I'm just gonna finish this shit. It's 2:37, so I'm probably gonna keep it in till 3:30. I don't know. I'm gonna see how the color is looking as time goes by. So BRB, next time you see me I will have a green hair. I'm gonna go ahead and dry this weave real quick. Check in a million. This is the result after I dried my hair. This is not to my liking. As you guys can see, if I bring hair back, it's blonde AF. This is unacceptable. I'm gonna dye it again and then like, I'm not gonna film that part, but because you guys, I'm telling you now what I'm gonna do. So I will BRB after I rinse out the next hair dye. It's totally not like salon A grade, but like it's cute. It's cute enough. This is the outcome of my hair. My ombre, are you kidding? This is pretty good, like for my at-home shit, like wow. Girl, I definitely do not recommend doing this because everybody's hair is different. Just because my hair didn't break off doesn't mean your hair won't break off, so I would definitely think about it really good if you're gonna do this at home. But yeah, thank you guys for coming on my journey with me. I think it came out super cute. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are digging it or if you guys are not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.